Hey viewers, welcome to another MS Codeworks and Tech video. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust shelf in just one click without any trouble or settings. So please subscribe. First, open your lap and now double click on the trackpad. Anywhere you want, like here, here, and anywhere you like. First, double click on your trackpad. Now you can select the shelf position option. Now click anywhere like left, bottom or right where you want to see your shelf. So first, this is our shelf. Click on the left option. So you can clearly see that our shelf is now being adjusted at the left side. And now like right, and now our shelf is on the right side. We again click on that option and select the bottom option, and now you can see that whenever we want to see our shelf here, you can just click and adjust your shelf in just few seconds. That's it. Very simple. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe for more interesting topics.